Hello Minooka 201 students, staff, and guardians. Here at the Minooka 201 Tech Desk, we've been hearing from many parents about how they could use a little extra assistance on how to navigate and utilize our most popular applications, whether it's Clever, Google Classroom, PowerSchool, Newscast. So we decided at the technology team to make a webpage designed for parents and students on just how to utilize these applications. There's instructions and short video clips in some cases. We don't have all of our apps yet, but we thought this would be a good step forward and just helping everyone utilize our applications a little bit more efficiently. So now we're going to show you how to actually bring it up.
I've landed at minto1.org, the district homepage, and I'm just going to go over to Parents and then Remote Instruction Help. And I always like to highlight, if you ever have any kind of technical questions, the tech team is standing by, so just email pshelp@minto1.org and somebody on the technology team will respond to you. But we're going to scroll down to the student parent how-to section, and this is kind of like our new thing. So we have different popular applications right now already pre-built, such as Clever, IXL, Newscast. And if you click on Clever, it's going to talk about what is it, how do you log into Clever, and is this maybe new to parents and students. We're trying to kind of get everything together for you. Some of our other applications have, besides instructions, a little parent video such as IXL, and we talk about logging in and how to gain access to the IXL system. But again, if you don't have audio or just want something you want to read, we also have step-by-step instructions with pictures below. So we'd love to hear from you guys to hear if this is a good idea and just to build on it. And we hope to plan additional information and improve our own documentation based on your feedback.
Oh, I'm being told now we're going to go out to our junior technology assistant to show you how to install a mouse on a Chromebook in case you have difficulty using the trackpad and you have a spare mouse laying around.
This is a USB mouse. This is how you plug it in. We all done.